Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to Python for InfoSec. This is a video number 5 and in this video we will see strings. So basically strings are a collection of characters. Strings are either enclosed with a single quotes or a double quotes. For example, in this example we are defining string ABC in a double quotes, and in this example we are defining string XYZ in a single quotes. This will allow you to use quotes and apostrophes within strings. For example, Python for InfoSec is one of the best course. Let's print this. To use a quotes, we use double quotes inside a single quote. Now let's see another example of a apostrophe S. It's nice to see you. Let's print this string. In this example we are using the apostrophe S. To use the apostrophe S, we are using single quote inside a double quotes. Now let's see string concatenation. Let's define first name equals Vikram. Let's define last name equals Salunke. Now we want to concat these two strings. For this we will use plus operator. So full name equals first name plus last name. Let's print full name. So we have used a concatenation. Now let's put space in between. For that we will use first name plus space in the single quotes and then last name. Let's print full name. So we have used plus operator to combine two strings. In programming, white spaces refers to, and in non-programming characters such as spaces, tabs and end of a line symbols. Let's see some examples. String equals Vikram T Salunke. Let's print string. So /t is inserting a tab here. Now let's see example of a new line. String equals statistics assembly /n Python for InfoSec. Let's print the string. So Python for InfoSec is on a new line because we have used /n here. So that's it for this video. If you want to join our in-person training, then please visit this link. We are doing our in-person training in some upcoming InfoSec conferences. And if you want to solve the exercises and test your knowledge about this video, then please visit our website vmaskers.com. There you will find the text version of this video as well as some exercises to solve. Thank you.